In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank account from your Xero dashboard. If your dashboard feels cluttered or you no longer need to keep a particular bank account front and center, you can tidy things up in just a few clicks. We're starting on the main Xero dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have permission to customize the home page. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, your user role may need to be updated by an administrator. First, open the Dashboard Customization mode by selecting Edit Homepage. You'll usually find this near the top of the page. When Edit mode is on, the widgets on your dashboard become interactive, and you'll see simple controls to add, move, or remove items. This view doesn't change any of your accounting data. It only affects what appears on your personal dashboard. Next, locate the bank account you want to remove from view. On the bank account tile, look for a small minus symbol. Click that minus symbol to remove the selected account from the dashboard. Think of this action as hiding the tile. It won't delete the bank account, disconnect its bank feed, or affect reconciliations. The account will still exist in your bank accounts area and in your reports. You're just decluttering the homepage. Take a moment to confirm you've removed the correct account. If you change your mind, you can always re-enter edit mode later and bring it back. Some dashboards allow adding items with a plus icon or via customization options, so restoring a tile is straightforward. When you're happy with the layout, save your changes by choosing Done. This step finalizes your edits. If you navigate away without clicking Done, Xero won't keep the changes, and the account tile will remain visible the next time you open the dashboard. Clicking Done exits the edit view and returns you to your normal dashboard. A couple of quick tips before we finish. If the minus symbol doesn't appear, zoom out slightly in your browser or widen the window so the control is visible. And if you manage multiple accounts with similar names, double check the account balance or the last few transactions on the tile before removing it, just to be sure you're hiding the right one. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Xero dashboard by removing a bank account tile, keeping your focus on the information that matters most.